Welcome to this detailed tutorial on using Hotjar for beginners. In this session you will learn how to set up your account, add your website, and navigate the main features of Hotjar to understand visitor behavior and website performance. We will start by going to the Hotjar website. Once you have opened your browser, type in the Hotjar website address and wait for the page to load. When the website's homepage appears, direct your attention to the top right corner where you will find the sign in option. After clicking on sign in, you will be prompted with different authentication methods. Select the option that says sign in with Google. This step allows you to use your existing Google account, making the login process both quick and secure. Once you click on sign in with Google, a window will appear showing your available accounts. Choose the one that you want to use with Hotjar. This integration simplifies the login process and gets you started without any additional hassle. Now that you have successfully logged in, it is time to add your website to Hotjar. First, locate the drop-down menu at the top left corner of your screen. This drop-down is designed for selecting or adding sites to your account. When you click on the drop-down, you will see an option that lets you add a new site. Go ahead and click on that option to proceed. When you have selected the option to add a new site, you will need to fill in the necessary details. This includes providing your website's name, URL, and any other required information that helps Hotjar understand where it needs to collect data. After you have carefully entered all the requested details, look for the Add Site button on the page. Click on Add Site to connect your website to Hotjar. This process integrates your site with Hotjar's analytical tools, enabling you to gain valuable insights. Once your website has been successfully added, the next step is to navigate to the main dashboard. On the left side of your screen, you will find the dashboard menu. By clicking on the dashboard, you will be presented with an overview of your website's performance. This overview includes important metrics such as website traffic, clicks, views, and details about visitor behavior. The dashboard offers a comprehensive snapshot of how users are interacting with your site, giving you a clear understanding of overall performance. From the dashboard, you also have the option to customize your view by adding widgets. To do this, simply click on the Add Widget option. This is a convenient way to tailor the information displayed on your dashboard so that it perfectly matches your specific needs and interests. Next, you will learn how to view session replays for your website. By clicking on the Session Replays option located on the left side of the screen, you can watch recordings of website visitors' sessions. In this view, you will see detailed records of website traffic, including metrics like the duration of visits, the dates, scores, page views, geolocation information, and much more. Following the session replays, move on to exploring heat maps. From the left menu, click on Heat Maps. In this section, you have the ability to either view existing heat maps or create a new one. Heat maps provide a visual representation of how visitors interact with your web page. To set up a new heat map, select the New Heat Map option. Once selected, fill in the required details about your website so that the heat map accurately reflects visitor interactions. This comprehensive guide has walked you through each step from signing into your account with Google and adding your website to exploring the core features of Hotjar like session replays and heat maps. Enjoy exploring the wealth of insights Hotjar provides to improve your website performance and enhance visitor experience.